Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the shop, Ed's Metalworks. It's that time of year. I'm into helping family and friends with their lawnmower services, so it's been a little bit busy doing that too here recently. But anyway, I got a little project I want to share with you that came up during these lawnmower services. I got, of course, the riding lawnmowers and the push mowers. Riding lawnmowers, I can't do it. The push mowers, I like to put them up on my workbench here and work on them, my welding table. It's nice and sturdy and big enough to, you can roll them over and stuff. But these lawnmowers keep getting heavier and heavier every year that I get older and older. So I'm going to try to make some hooks. I got these chains and I got some materials here that what I'm going to do is I took a piece of square tube and cut one face off of it, and then we'll weld them on here like so, kind of drill a hole in here for the loop to go around. But anyway, hopefully I can hook them under the edge of these lawnmowers like so, and you know, lift them up. They always got somewhere you can hook them. So most decks, this is a plastic deck or a composite deck, so it's a little thicker than others. But anyway, I'll show you the process of making these, and we'll build one, and then it's just times 4. But we'll get going here, and I'll show you how we build these. Alrighty, here we got our square tube. It's 1-inch square tube, a little over 1/8 inch wall thickness. But we're going to cut this one side off. We'll just use our bandsaw over here. Cut this one side off. Alright, got that side cut, and we'll mark us out a 2-inch piece here. This is what I made, how wide I made them. And stick it in the bandsaw here. I might need a little spacer. I'll use one of these other ones for a little space. Keep the jaw square. Yeah. Sorry for the shakiness. right, now we got our hook basically. Come over here and deburr it a little bit. I'll set you up over here. Whoop. Alrighty, here we got our 4 hooks now. Now we'll cut another strap. Got this one laid out, 6 inches long. Got a 3/4 from the sides in the center of this 1.5 inches and a 3/4 from the end. We'll get this cut off here. Just use our cutoff wheel. Here, back over here, do a little deburring. Alright, got the corners all nice and rounded off. Throw us a punch mark on there and we'll go drill them out. Nice punch mark. These look like to be about 3/8. We'll drill them a little bigger than 3/8. Yeah, I always come up with little jobs like this to help me out around the shop. Yeah, see, we'll go. We'll go with a 7/16 so we make sure we got enough room here. Yeah, move you guys to this other side. Clamp down here a little bit. Well, there we go. All right. Move over here, deburr them. All right, we got our 4 legs done. All right, we'll get this clamped up here and we'll get one welded together. Yeah, let's see if we can get a square on here a little bit, see how square we are. Close enough. All right, we'll get the welder fired up. I'm gonna use my Syncrowave 180 TIG machine. Normally I'd probably MIG weld these, but I got a low tank of gas. I'm just trying to use it up a little bit before I go get a refill, so don't want to give them any more than they have to. Just use some ER70S fill rod. Got about 90 amp on the machine. Now let's stick one of these together. Move you back a little bit here. Wash your eyes if you don't want to wash. I don't think it hurts over the YouTube, but here we go. Alright, it leans in a little bit, which is probably okay. I was planning on having it lean a little bit, but we'll see how it works out. Let me cool this off. Go over here to the lawnmower. Yeah, we'll be able to hook that in there. No chains. Chains will hook on there like so. But that's it. Well, I'll go ahead and get the rest of these welded up. No sense having to watch all that. It's all a repeat. So we'll get that taken care of. I'll bring you back when I pick the lawnmower up. Okay, here we go. We got it. Got our hooks on here. Chain, I did stick a bolt through the chain here so the chain don't slide one way or the other. Probably come up with some kind of a clasp or a I don't know what they call them to hook them together, but you can see this mower is kind of tail heavy. Both of my hooks are toward the back of the machine, but once you get them, figure out where you got to pick it at, which now I can remember, it lifts it up nice and even. Not to get it up on my welding table anyway. A little bit slow running this chainsaw one-handed. But whoop, gotta go a little higher here. Whoop. All right, I can set them down on my welding table and have at it. Oil changes and spark plugs and stuff like that without having to bend over. Of course, you got to have some kind of hoist to pick up like this, but I suppose if you had a engine hoist or something around it, or an A-frame, you could do the same trick. But anyway, another little video to save this old man's back, and hope you got a little something out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up and comment one way or the other. I'd love to see some comments. Don't get many of them, but thanks for watching, and we'll bring you back for the next exciting adventure. Ed's Metal Works signing out.